This is a video, it's gonna help you align, it's gonna help your nervous system reset, specifically for men. We're gonna do 3 rounds. The first round is 20 breaths of fully in from the mouth, and we're gonna hum out. Oh. On the 20th, we're gonna take a full breath in and hold. The second round is gonna be 25 breaths. It's gonna be fully in to the belly only, and out. Fully in and out, only to the belly. The third one is gonna be 30 breaths. It's gonna be fully in from the mouth, belly, chest, and out. I will be guiding you step by step. I would suggest for you to find a nice place so you can lay down, put some earphones on, and let's begin. 3, 2, 1. Fully in and hum out. Oh, good. Again, in and out. In. Out. In and out. In and out. In and out. In and out. Keep the rhythm in and out. In. Make it a deep exhalation. Out. In. Out. One more. In and out. In and out. In. Five more, give it your best. In. Last 2, fully in. Now last one, take a full breath in and keep it all in, all on in. Keep holding your breath. Good. Whatever you feel. Now on the count of 3, I want you to exhale and relax. 3, 2, 1, full exhalation and relaxation. Take a moment. On the next round, we're gonna breathe in from the mouth only to the belly. Focus on only moving the belly. On the inhalation, the belly expands. On the exhalation, the belly relaxes. 3, 2, 1. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, into the belly and out, into the belly only. Now, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, into the belly. Now, in and out, in, out, in, out, in, out. One more. In, out, in, out. I know it might be uncomfortable. Keep pushing. In and out, in, out. 5 more. In and out. In and out. In and out. Last 2. Fully into the belly and out. Now full. Last one. Take a full breath in. Keep it all in, all in. Feel it all in, all in, all in. Feel all the tension in. Good, 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 good. خيل إنسان. Good. Now on the count of 3, I want you to exhale fully and relax. 3, 2, 1. Full exhalation and relaxation. Good. Take a moment. We have one more round. In this round, we're gonna breathe 30 breaths fully in, mouth, belly, chest, and out. 3, 2, 1. In and out. Good. In, belly, chest, and out. Good. In, belly, chest, and out. In, 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 out. In to the belly, up to the chest, and out. In, 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 belly, chest, and out. Some more. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Last 5. Give it all you got. In, out. In, out. Last 2. Fully in. Now out, out, out. Exhale, exhale, exhale. One last breath. Take a full breath in. Keep it all in, all in. Feel it all in. If you felt dizzy, if you felt numbness, if you felt itchiness, whatever you felt, give it space. خيل إنسان. Feel it. You're just tuning in. You're just feeling yourself. So give it space. And on the exhale, I want you to exhale long, as long as you can to relax. On the count of 3, 3, 2, 1. Fully exhale and relax. Stay wherever you are. Give yourself a moment. Good. Go back to breathing from your nose. And on the count of 3, start moving your hands. 3 to 1, move your hands slowly. Move your feet. Move your head. Move your neck. And slowly open your eyes. How are you feeling, my friend? Let me know in the comments. I really appreciate your feedback. And for you as well, to let the energy flow through you, in and out. Subscribe to my channel for more alignment, energy, wisdom, and health. Stay خيل إنسان.